Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for you, the best cheap swimming goggles on the market.
These are not just any goggles. They are the SUPERMORE anti-fog protective safety goggles.
Stay tuned to find out why these are a must-have for all your swimming adventures.
Hey there, I'm your host, and today we're talking about the SUPERMORE anti-fog protective safety goggles. If you're looking for affordable yet high-quality swimming goggles, you're in the right place.
These goggles are designed to provide you with clear vision and maximum comfort during your swim. Let's dive into the features of these goggles. The first standout feature is the anti-fog coating. These goggles are designed to keep your vision crystal clear, even during intense swimming sessions.
No more frustrating fogging up.
These goggles offer a wide vision design, ensuring that you have a broader field of view while swimming.
It's like having panoramic vision underwater. These goggles are not just for swimming. They are also perfect for protecting your eyes during chemical experiments or any situation where chemical splashes are a concern.
Comfort is key when it comes to swimming goggles.
These goggles have a soft edge design and are made from lightweight materials, making them extremely comfortable to wear for extended periods. Worried about the fit? These goggles come with an adjustable head belt, ensuring they'll fit securely on various head circumferences. No more discomfort or slipping. Now, here's the best part, the price. These SUPERMORE anti-fog protective safety goggles are available for just $9.99.
Yes, you heard that right. Top-notch quality at an affordable price. You can find them on Amazon.com.
In conclusion, the SUPERMORE anti-fog protective safety goggles are an excellent choice for anyone in need of reliable, affordable swimming goggles or protective eyewear for various activities. With features like anti-fog coating, wide vision, and a comfortable fit, they are a fantastic value for the price.
That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.